Game time!
Today, you are going to play basketball like a pro and read like one too. You won't be using a real ball, but practice the form and skills without a ball. When you hear the whistle, get quiet for your next direction. First, warm up your passing skills. All right, this time I will pass a word to you, and I want you to pass the beginning sound back to me. Ready? Yam. Y. Quilt. Qu. Vulture. V. Bread. Jet. Noodle. Snow. Watermelon. Crib. Hippo. Rock. Tricycle. Drone. Lemon. Octopus. Zebra. Monkey. Football. Now let's practice our dribbling skills. Go ahead and warm up. This time, I will say a word. Then you will dribble as you say each sound in the word. Get ready. Boss. Ready? B-A-S. Boss. Rig. Ready? R-I-G. Rig. Pup. Ready? P-A. Pup. Jazz. Ready? J-A-Z. Jazz. Deck. Ready? D-E-K. Deck. Nod. Ready? N-A-D. Nod. Trim. Ready? T-R-I-M. Trim. Spot. Ready? S-P-O-T. Spot. Drag. Ready? D-R-A-G. Drag. Task. Ready? T-A-S-K. Task. Wilt. Ready? W-I-L-T. Wilt. Gift. Ready? G-I-F-T. Gift. Let's get some points. Go ahead and warm up by taking a couple practice shots. Now it's time to read the word. Some words will be real, and some will be nonsense, made-up words. Only shoot the ball if it's a real word. Say the word when it changes color. Ready? Cub. Res. Hid. Gug. Jog. Lem. Win. Quit. Had. Fox. You had a great basketball practice. Keep working hard and you'll reach your goals in no time.